Nextiva Chat allows you to directly interact with your customers and prospects in real time. With this feature, you can allow them to request a chat using the Live Chat button, or set up proactive chat to prompt an agent to contact them after a set time on the site. Allowing the customer to request a chat is as easy as setting up the Live Chat icon on a web page. When the customer clicks this icon, a chat window opens. The Live Chat icon and chat window can be placed anywhere on your web page. Once they've filled in the fields and clicked Send, they're connected to the queue, which allows an agent to answer any questions they may have. This feature can be scheduled for the hours you want and can be replaced with an offline form for after hours. Proactive chat allows you to directly engage with a customer who may be hesitant to contact a business for help. Create an introductory message and add proactive chat to specific website pages, or set it to trigger after a visitor has spent a certain length of time on a page. Nextiva Chat empowers you to help more people with less effort. Shortcuts allow agents to type commonly sent messages with just a couple keystrokes. This saves them from having to type out the same sentences repeatedly, while also ensuring consistent messages free of typos. When a customer is connected with a live agent, a case is created in Nextiva Service CRM. This allows you to quickly handle a customer's issue while also creating a record of their chat. All chats are saved in a customer's history, so previous conversations can be easily referenced without making the customer repeat information. When a chat is complete, the agent can use macros to send an email to the customer following up on their conversation. With Nextiva Chat, your business's website becomes a conduit for customer engagement. For more information, contact a Nextiva sales representative.